What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Pro Cycling Manager 2022 on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser and we will walk through it quickly. What you need to do is search up this game at Steam, then continue to the link in the video description where it says find game here and we will download it. So what we will do, quickly search up the game on Steam so we can compare it with our own website. And we need to search for the game Pro Cycling Manager 2022. Select it, now scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game on Steam is still €39.99. But don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Now once you have done that, you will be redirected to this webpage and we will search again for the game Pro Cycling Manager 2022. Now search for it. And after that we can select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. And as you can see, if we scroll a little bit down, this game is already available for just €4.21. So what we will do, select the game, and once you have opened this game page, then you will find out that this price is just €4.31 compared to the price on Steam of €39.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. So what you need to do is purchase this game through this website. You will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam, so you can legitimately download this game on your PC through Steam. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!